2 days before, we used this mav for making dosa. But see the condition now. I found it. Here is it. So I have to keep on cleaning. Hi guys, welcome back to Vicky's vlog, and today we are going to vlog. We'll go and see. Guys, want to see that? வானந்தொட்டு போனா சாமாயெல்லாம் தானே கழுவிடிடா ராசா சாமா கழுவ வேலைக்கார யாரோ எங்க வைக்க முடியாது சாமா கழுவிடு ராசா பார்க்க தானே போறீங்க இத காலியோட ஆட்டத்தை. Come, let's clean the vessels. Okay guys, this vlog is about how I'm going to clean my home vessel which I used for the past breakfast, lunch and dinner. So I'm going to clean these vessels as much I can. No, I have to clean everything because she can't come. No, she's in a work from home job. This is also the work from home job. We'll do it. This is the previous stage of cleaning my vessels, my home vessels. See, how I'm going to change this. No, let's see. So I'm going to explain what are the troubles we are going to face when we are washing the vessels. So first we need to take this plate. This is called Vidapudiyana Alukku. So how I'm going to start, we should use this Vim bar. So first I'm going to clean all these things. Kachi ondrinai parkattal. I'll show you. This is not a easy job, This is very difficult. So we should be so cautious when we are cleaning the vessel. Otherwise, some germs will be near that and upper body of the tattu maybe. So I'm cleaning process is started. So it will become like this. This is looking like car. 2 days before, we used this mav for making dosa. But see the condition now. It will be looking like Himalaya podar. So it is very difficult to clean this type of vessels. This is very challenging. Hey, some sound is coming, no? வேர்வை மழை சிந்தாமல் வெற்றி மழை ஓயாது சாமனை கழுவலாம் எனது விழி ஓயாது. கேச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கம்மா. Whenever you used to clean this type of kingdoms, you'll forget the moody. You know what? It will getting so trouble when we find this type of moody. We have to find this moody. Otherwise, in the morning itself, we have to search so many things. It will take more time to search. So we need to find that moody and fix it now itself. I found it. Here is the moody. We will clean this and fix it as much possible now itself. Next thing is jar. When we cleaning the jar, it will get so bore. It will get some bore because you know what? In this jar, that rolling machine is there, inside that. It will make us always in trouble because when we used to put on clean, it will get some scratches. So the scratch will made, blood will come. So we should be so cautious when we are cleaning the jar. So be careful when you clean the jar. Otherwise, you'll get hurt. I'm going to introduce a guy who is make us in trouble, and this guy is very, when we cleaning this guy, it's very, very trouble. See this? Actually, we have forgot to clean this 2 days back. We have just made idli on this 4 holes, but we have forgot to clean this vessel. But I am going to try this vessel now. See now, I'll just show you after I clean this. I am expert on this. For this type of vessels, we should use this nar because this germs and all, people will call this Vidapudiyana Alukku. So we need to use this type of nar means. Okay, you guys can see it now. Looking like pala, right? Pala. And this is my coffee mug, and I always a special care on him. Yes. Again, I am going to clean the Vidapudi Karai Tawa Kadai. So for that I am going to use the Ultra Scrub konjam mixing with Vim Bar tissue. So we'll use this for cleaning. It will be clear, right? So looking like pala, right? So this is how we need to clean this type of vessel because it will take more time for cleaning. So for that we need to spend some time for this. Otherwise, see, you know what, for this types of vessel we can get some germs nearby on the top of the tawa like that. So we need to focus on that. Otherwise it will get dirt. Okay. These types of plates and all, it will be very easy to clean. You know, one sarak for here and one sarak for here. That's it. Once you do this, if you wash means everything will go off. Small, tiny, cute kada, you know. But I only know the pain how to clean this because this is also the Vidapudi Karai. Still it's not going. Okay, we'll use this naru. Even though it is Vidapudi Karai, I'll clean it like a new vessel, right? Wow, other than that. You know what? Actually, this kinnam is in silver color. This kinnam is in silver color before, but it is changed like, you know, the inside it is looking like a red color. I'm going to wash the things. And you guys have doubt why I have to wear this talapa in my head. I'll tell you the secret. This is Baba cut. This value pudija odada the cut out. The cut achi the cut out kuda soda the value la pudikro. Adala vela pakka pora. Hey Baba, shiriba. See the color? Looking like silver, no? This is Ma katada mama. And the bakadu mudive katama. This is the first time I am seeing this much of spoons in my home. I have said so much of vessel which is giving trouble to us. The main problem maker is this karandi. It is very, very difficult while cleaning this. See, even though I am cleaning perfectly, till the dirt is not going. So I have to keep on cleaning it. Otherwise, cleaned Jallikandi. Almost we have done all the vessels cleaning work. So now have to arrange all these things here, the dirties and stuffs like, you know, that when I am this kuppai and all I need to remove. Then only our kitchen will be so clean. So let's do that. Samangalaya kuppaigala எல்லாரையும் clean பண்ணிடுவேன் பொண்டாட்டினா பயம் பயம். See, so much of dirties. So I should be so cautious about this. Should keep it in a proper way, otherwise it will get dirty. Boost and all we should keep it here. We'll keep here, otherwise. This is a thing which is help us to wipe all the things which is unnecessarily in the kitchen. So it is so useful. You guys can buy it. This is not a marketing, it's some for information. And I also suggest these types of cloths. You know, this is not a cloth actually. So you can use this cloth n number of times. It is like not a use and throw. We can use this thing for so many times because it is so wet. No, once it got dried, once it is getting dried, you can use it for so many times. So there is a difference between the dry and the wet tissue like that. We can use it. Okay, finally the machine was completed perfectly. I'm going to show you guys what are the things I've done before and after house with kitchen. So okay guys, I just completed my work. I'll just show you what I've done. You guys can see now my kitchen is. I should follow this thing means definitely my kitchen will be so good for every day. So you guys can also follow this. I know it is very difficult to follow, but try to follow it. Sama dada apa? Tani kuya. Nama minnale. உனக்காக செஞ்ச உதவிக்காக எனக்கு நன்றி சொல்லணும் வந்தியா?
வாட்டர் பாட்டில் எடுக்கலாம்னு வந்தேன்.
நேத்து இவனேனி டுடே இவன் ஞானி. இப்போ சொல்லு, இந்த துண்டை வச்சிக்கவா வேடாமா?
துணி யாருக்கு வைப்பா?
சிந்தினே மூக்கை சிந்தினே வந்துட்டமா.
English is a very funny language. English is a very funny language.
டுமாரோ காலையில கம்மிங் சார் போட்டோ சார் டிக் டிக் சார். நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ் எப்படி சார் இருக்கு?